Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today is my Aeonium Care and Propagation Day. I've actually had quite a few Aeonium plants throughout the years. In the video, I'm going to give you a quick look at some of these beauties that I have in my collection. They are a real sight to behold with their stunning colors. What's even more fascinating is that many of them can change colors in different growing conditions. As you can see, each rose head actually resembles a rose flower. The catch is, unlike regular roses that bloom on occasion, these Aeonium roses bloom every single day of the year. That's pretty cool, right? Aeoniums are super easy to grow and they grow very tall quickly. Sometimes though, they can get so tall that they become top heavy. But no worries, I'm going to show you how to deal with those leggy ones. Take a look at my Aeonium Medusa. It's a perfect example. This used to be the main plant. But I snipped off the top a little while back. Now the top has settled into a new pot and it's turned into a young plant. See here? There are multiple new heads sprouting up from the stem of the older plant. Now check out this Aeonium Halloween. It's got really stretched out. Look at this. It is so top heavy. My plan is to trim off the top branches to get it back to being a nice compact plant again. It's not a good cut. I will try to make it nice and smooth. This is better. You cannot plant it back to the potting mix right away. You have to leave it for at least a couple of days until the cutting is dried out. As you can see, I have left some bottom leaves intact. These leaves will keep nourishing the new growth when they sprout out. With this specific plant, it might not be necessary. Some people will remove all the leaves, but I think it's a good practice. It will not harm the plant. I can take out some of the leaves at the very bottom. I'll do that off camera. It's not necessary to leave lots of leaves. Just 1 or 2 layers would be perfect. And so this is what I did. After a little bit, maybe a couple of weeks, you will see a lot of new growth popping up, and altogether they're going to look like a fantastic bouquet because there will be lots of new growth coming from the top. Today my work is done. I'm going to leave everything in a place with diffused light until the cutting become dry. And so that's it for today. Happy gardening. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like to have one of the cuttings, please ask me. I'll be happy to leave it for you to pick up in Toronto. Alright, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.